This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Susie Hauze. Fantastic opportunity to own a direct access home with quick access to the MENORCA River. Bright, open floor plan with 12 feet ceilings, plaid shelves, and a wall of 8 feet sliders. Beautiful lanai and pool deck with integrated hot tub. This 3-bedroom home offers large oversized bedrooms with his and hers walk-in closets in the master. Fabulous location for boating, just moments to the river from your private dock and lift. Luxurious neighborhood of beautiful homes. A must-see. Value. For more information, review the details below or contact Susie Hauze at 239-370-1497.